I am from Hubli. My cousin's marriage we have taken through this Puneet events. We had lot of research and the parents who stays from US, their son was also little bit very particular in getting the things arranged from there. So they used to do video calling and get them really. It was a tough time for us to organize with. It has come out very well. Today afternoon, we started with today's lunch. So शुभ काम में जो भी होता है अच्छा ही होता है. The things that start good with ends with good note. So with a happy note, I'm going to inform my friends also that this is a Puneet events. They have done a very great job here, and they have they have obliged for whatever we have done the changes. We think we have 4-5 sittings with Santosh and his team, and we met and organized with all the best of the best arrangements they have done here. I really would recommend my friends also who are going to take these caterers as well as events for their next events also. Thank you very much.
ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ಸು, ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ, ದೇವ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ ತಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪುನೀತ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ದೇ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ನಾವು ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ನ ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫುಡ್ಡು ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ದೇವ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ತನಕನೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪುನೀತ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
Hi, this is Dr. Ravi Halekote. This is my wife.
Shruti.
We are from Chikmagalur, friend of Vijay Kurki and Ashika, and Ramesh.
I'm Jeevita. ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಫುಡ್ಡು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ఈ ఈవెంట్ చాలా బాగుంది. ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ రిసెప్షన్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ డెకరేషను, తర్వాత ఈ ఆడిటోరియంలో డెకరేషను, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఫుడ్ స్టాల్, ఈ అవుట్ సైడ్ పెట్టిన ఐటమ్స్, తర్వాత ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ చాలా బాగుంది. మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీ, బాగుంది. మీరు ఎవరైతే చేశారో వాళ్ళకు కంగ్రాట్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నా పేరు డాక్టర్ కొట్టూరు నర్సయ్య. నేను పెళ్లి కూతురు వల్ల పెద్దనాన్నను. మా ఈ పెళ్లి రిసెప్షను చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉంది. అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా అమికబుల్గా, మంచి డిగ్నిఫైడ్గా ఉన్నాయి. తర్వాత మొత్తం ఎపిసోడ్నంతా 2 మాటలా చెప్పాలనుకున్నాను. తేనె చుక్కలు పూల రెక్కల్లాగా సౌకర్యంగా మంచి సౌభాగ్యంగా ఉన్నాయి. భోజనాలు కూడా వెజిటేరియన్లో మంచి ఐటమ్స్ పెట్టారు, చాలా బాగుంది. తర్వాత వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఎవ్రీబడి ఎంజాయిడ్ ది అంబియన్స్ అండ్ డెలిషియస్ ఫుడ్. అండ్ అన్నిటికంటే మించి కపుల్ను వాళ్ళు మంచిగా ఆశీర్వదించారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm from Davangere. So all the decorations and the Puneet events have organized very nicely. So all the food and everything was very good. We also enjoyed today's evening. So you guys are doing a good job. So thank you.
I'm Jayalakshmi. I'm from Hyderabad. The food is very nice. I really enjoyed the food, especially the dry fruit pickle, pineapple, gujju was very nice. Annam sambar was also very nice. The decoration is very good. I really enjoyed the place. The open convention hall is very nice, though it's a bit cold. Otherwise, I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಶೋಧ ಅಂತ, 38ನೇ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ನಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಥರ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ನು, ಫುಡ್ ಮೇಳ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಆ ಟೈಪು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋರು ಮತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋರು ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು 1000 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥ ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಉಮಾಪತಿ ಅಂತ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕವ್ರ ಮನೆಯದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಡುಗೆನೂ ಸಹ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊನೆಯ ತನಕನೂ ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೀಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 10:30 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದೇ ಜೋಶಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi, my name is Anush and I'm from India, but I'm born and brought up in Indonesia. And I've come here. I'm on a winter break. My brother is getting married, so it worked out that I got here. And just to start off, the place, the atmosphere, the ambiance is excellent here. I mean, I've had a lot of fun. And just to talk about lunch, that might have been the best thing I've ever eaten in a while. Like, it was really, really good. Dinner, lunch, it was set up really very well. The staff were so kind, so nice. It was so efficient. And, you know, it tasted like home food pretty much, especially after being abroad in college. Just coming here and having some good food, Indian food, it was just perfect. Like, I couldn't have thanked anyone more for this. So I would like to thank all the staff here. I would like to thank everyone. Please, whoever wants to come here, definitely pay them a visit. They'll never let you down.
My name is Adyan and I'm going to give you a review about Puneet events. So eventually I've come in the morning till now. I'm going to tell the honest review about what's happening and what's going on and whatever. In the morning when I came here, it was around 11:30 and it was already such a huge thing, and it was really good. The decoration, the flowers, everything done in a short period of time. Really appreciate it. And the lunch, dinner, everything was good. The food was amazing. So everything over here is nice. Liked everything, the decoration and the staff. Everyone's here. They're serving food. So good time here.
My name is Shweta and I stay in Jakarta, Indonesia, but I was born in Davangere and my native is Davangere. And this is the first time I have experienced an event organizing company in Davangere, although we come back to India every year. It was amazing, excellent, starting from organizing, the quality and the taste of the food, the decor, the arrangements, the timing and their punctuality. Everything was just fantastic. Entire family, we enjoyed the food, may it be at home or simple lunches, family dinners or the reception dinner. Everything was absolutely amazing. I strongly recommend Puneet Caterers. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bhumika.
Hi, my name is Megan.
The food, we started with, like, we had lunch, right? Yeah, so the lunch was really good. I really liked the pan. The pan was the highlight of the show. It was so good. Even the pan during lunch and dinner was too good. And Majge also, very nice, very nice. So overall food is a 5-star. Decorations also great, very beautiful, the flowers, everything nicely well decorated.
ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿವಾನಿ ಅಂತ. ಲಂಚಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಲಂಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ಗೂ ಅಣ್ಣ ಪಾಪ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಟಾಪ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪುನೀತ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್.